When I had my second kiddo, Tucker, he's 5 now, he had to be away from me a little bit more, and so I had to pump more to feed him, and my milk supply dropped. And I was like, well, I'm a baker, maybe I can make a cookie. And so I found out that there were some different key ingredients that you could add to a cookie that could help increase your milk supply. And after a week of eating the cookies, my milk supply doubled. And I posted about it on my Facebook page, and all moms were super excited about it. Providence, they have a nursing boutique, they found out about it, and they've been carrying the cookies ever since. I thought it was a super cool experience to ask to be featured on Indie Alaska, especially after accomplishing something so huge in my business career, because I had just recently won Cupcake Wars. That's on the Food Network, so they came to do a story to see what my business was about and what I was up to since the show. So my life has definitely changed a lot since the last filming with Indie Alaska. I'm not married anymore. I was pregnant in that video with Malachi. When they came before, I was just doing cupcakes. Now I have a full line of bakery products that range from cupcakes, cookies, cookie doughs. As more people come out with cupcake shops and cupcake trucks, the demand is less because there's more options for people. When I first started, there weren't any cupcake shops, there weren't any other, there weren't even a lot of food trucks. I still do cupcakes on a weekly basis. I still do them for weddings and corporate parties. The only place that you can get my cupcakes is either by special order from the truck, and the Chevron gas station in Eagle River wholesales the cupcakes as well. In the beginning it was hard because I create everything. People come to see me, so it's enjoyable for me to go out and see my customers, interact with them, see how they enjoy the products. I've had several people tell me, I've had this many children, I've never been able to breastfeed till I've had your cookies. So it's a really rewarding thing to know that I'm able to help so many moms, and then also be able to continue coming up with new ideas and keep growing my business.